at this, guys. Looks neat. Watch out, you might hit his backpack. My goodness.
Well, you could watch for whales here, couldn't you?
Yeah. Sure
You
could.
could see for 50 miles. This morning, I was talking to, we ran into some folks from the Tiffin Open Rotors Facebook group. And as we were talking, realized that many people recommend traveling the Oregon coast from north to south, which is the opposite of what we're doing. Now I understand. If you travel from north to south, the ocean's always on your side of the road, which means for every pull-off, you're not having to cross traffic. Wow, man, the scenery just doesn't stop here. We just passed up the Sea Lion caves. It's $15 a head, and I saw it on YouTube. That lighthouse is gorgeous, I'll tell you that. Man, that's a postcard.
Sure is.
So we're plenty good. Wow. Ah.
Nice.
Oh. This road is a lot like Road to Hana, except on this one you can see the ocean.
See the ocean.
Road to Hana, the vegetation was so thick we couldn't really see things. Eagle, bald
There's an
eagle.
eagle right down there. You see him?
Bald eagle right in front. Oh my goodness. You see him?
Is it a bald eagle?
Yes, I saw the white head.
Oh, beautiful.
For spacious
skies forever.
waves of gray.
No, it's not a bald eagle. It's a.
What?
It is a bald eagle. I don't know.
What are you
It
talking
is.
about? It
That is
is.
so
Yellow
cool.
beak, white head. Take that, Pokemon.
It's not going on.
That was pretty amazing.
We are walking down a spouting horn. Parking was very difficult for our big motorhome, but we're not sure where Thor's Well is. I am on the Ring of Fire. I am on the coast of Oregon, where the Pacific Plate meets the North American continental plate. And the Pacific Plate, being made out of basalt, is heavier than the granite plate of Oregon. And what that causes is the ocean plate sinks under the continental plate right here. This is called the subduction zone because the oceanic plate is subducting underneath the continental plate. Subduction zones cause a lot of havoc. First of all, it's a convergent boundary. They're coming together. And when these two boundaries converge and this one sucks under, it causes a lot of heat. That heat causes a lot of volcanic activity. So let me show you what it looks like. Now behind me you'll notice a lot of black rock. Black rock is extrusive igneous rock, which is volcanic. It's got a very fine grain here because it's cooled off very quickly by the ocean. So this whole coast at one time had volcanic activity. It currently does not, thank goodness. Not swimming in there. Behind us is
Thor's Well.
Thor's Well. Not sure if y'all can hear us. Let's see if it splashes. Whoa, that's pretty wicked. Well,
There it is. There it is.